Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Black Friday deal for you. We're going to be using the new Ink Navigator kit and I'm going to share the benefits with you. This is on sale for Black Friday. So the whole shop is on sale through the weekend with the coupon code Black Friday 20. You'll get 20% off your entire order and we do have this included in our sale. I'm going to share the benefits of using the Ink Navigator kit. This kit was designed by Maranda from Multiplicity Crafts. I love the design that she did. There's some rubber feet on the bottom of this, so it's so it grips onto the surface and it doesn't move around. So you add the Velcro strip to the back of your ink pad. You can also purchase the refills if you want to add these strips onto many ink pads. So you'll have this side, which is the rough side, onto your little handle here, and then you'll just put these two together and then it will hold your ink pad. So this is the ink docking station here, and you'll just let your ink rest right on top of that. So we've got a nice place to put your ink. We're going to use the Not Too Shabby Snowball Fight stamp set today, and we're going to ink up some images so you can see how the Ink Navigator works. I'm using the Express It blending cardstock for my paper, and I'm using Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I'm going to ink up several images. So I have the docking station here to my right. I'm just going to pick up the handle and simply ink like you would normally. So you have lots of control with the handle. This is perfect if you're going to be mass producing cards. It does save a lot of strain on your wrist. Maranda designed this Ink Navigator kit to solve many of your stamping problems. So do you get inky fingers? I know I do, and this really has helped me. And if you're mass producing cards, this really does help with the fatigue of your wrist. You have a nice big handle to grab onto. It's very comfortable to hold. And you don't have to do any weird twisting when you're putting down your ink pad. So I really like that. And to release this, just break it to the side. You can wash this off under water. Use your stamp chamois to clean it off. It cleans off very easily. So normally we would have our ink pad resting on our table surface here. To pick it up is a little bit more harder because you don't have that nice handle, and sometimes I fumble and I do drop this and get ink everywhere. So that's one of the benefits of having the Ink Navigator kit. And then sometimes I get ink on my fingers because my fingers are very close to the image, and going around like this, I might get some ink on my thumb or something like that. See, I got some ink right there. And sometimes you don't even know it and you get it on your cardstock. So the Ink Navigator kit does keep your fingers away from this ink. And then to put it down, see how you're like twisting your arm, you got to put it down. I think the Ink Navigator kit really does save you time because you stamp like this and then you put it just straight down, which I like that. And then if you're mass producing cards, just imagine doing this over and over and then picking this up and then having to, turn this. I think, see, I just got some ink on my finger without even knowing, especially if you have longer nails. Your nails might scrape onto the stamp there. So these are things that I'm noticing the difference because I've been using this for a bit now. So you could really see the streamline process when you're using this. So I really enjoy this tool, and I'm really glad that Maranda has came out with this design. So I'm going to put my images to the side, and we'll get out another one, another piece of paper here, and show that tool in action one more time. I want to stamp out the little snow castle and this little guy here, because he could be peeking behind this castle. And let's do a couple more snowballs. Last year I did make some really cute tags with this little snowman. They turned out so cute. If I still have a picture, I will post it for you up on the screen here. I'm just going to pick up my stamps and then put my ink navigator tool back together here. So this is very strong Velcro, so there's no problem with it coming apart. And then I'm just going to take this and stamp away. And there's different ways you can hold it. You can grip it from those little notches there. You can, you know, however you're comfortable holding it. You can see my hands are away from the ink. And then there's a nice place to rest it. And then I always like inking up my images 2 or 3 times. So this is perfect. Okay, we'll finish up with some more stamping. So I have enough images. Okay, so thank you guys for coming over and checking out what's going on for Black Friday. The coupon code is valid through the weekend, through Sunday. 20% off your order. Black Friday, 20 is the coupon code. It cannot be combined with another coupon, and it's not valid on previous orders. Thank you so much for stopping by. Happy shopping, guys, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.